Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you are having a great day. For those of you that have come onto my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that are already following me and are familiar with my channel, thank you so much for your continued support and welcome back. So we are into day 19 of my 3K in 31 days challenge. Now, for those of you that have just come onto my channel for the first time, what I've done is that I've given myself a massive task of trying to generate £3,000 in just 31 days. Now, if that wasn't hard enough, what I've also done is that I've given myself a caveat of where I need to generate that money online. So in the last few weeks, what I've been doing is that I've been looking at all the various different ways, methods, strategies of where I could potentially help generate money online. Now, if you want to know what those methods and strategies are, make sure you check out my videos. They should be up here, because I go into all the various different methods that I'm using to generate money online right now. But what I want to talk about in this video is just one of those methods, and that method is affiliate marketing. Again, if you're not sure what affiliate marketing is, make sure you check out my video, because I've got a video totally dedicated to affiliate marketing and what it is. But essentially, affiliate marketing is when you act as the middle person to help promote a product or a service on behalf of a business. Now, you may have already done affiliate marketing and not even known about it. Okay, so let me give you an example. If you had been using a pair of headphones and you thought they were great, they were excellent, they were awesome, and because they were so great and you had total faith in it, what you then did is that you then told your friend about it. And because your friend was convinced that they were so great, they were wonderful, that they actually went ahead and gone and bought them off the back of your recommendation. Now that is affiliate marketing, except if you had joined an affiliate marketing program, you would have got a commission off the back of that. Okay, so that's effectively what affiliate marketing is. It's that easy. Now, yes, you do need to join some affiliate programs, and once you have joined an affiliate program, what you can do is, what will happen is that you will then be given an affiliate link. Now, in terms of affiliate programs to join, again, I go through that in my video in terms of which ones you can join. Again, totally free. But once you do join an affiliate program, you will be given an affiliate link, depending on whether you choose to promote a service or a product. Okay, now once you've got that affiliate link, your job is to basically have people click on that affiliate link. Now, I'm going to go through two ways of how you could do that for absolutely free. Now, there are paid ways of doing that, but like I said, there are also free ways of doing it. I'm going to go through two of those methods. Now, the first method of advertising your affiliate links for absolutely free is by the use of Facebook. Now, what you want to do is that in Facebook, what you can do is join various different Facebook groups. Again, if you are basically promoting a health and fitness product, what you want to do is that you want to join health and fitness groups. Once you've joined those groups, potentially what you can do then is that you can start promoting your affiliate link within those groups. Now, obviously, the more groups you join, then again, the more customers, or potential customers you'll have looking at your link and hopefully going ahead and clicking on that link. Okay, so Facebook groups is an excellent way of promoting your affiliate link. Now, another way of promoting your affiliate link, again for totally free, is by the use of Instagram. Now, what I would do with Instagram, if you are basically promoting a very niche product, again, if it's health and fitness, what I would do is create a Instagram account that is totally related to health and fitness. Okay, because what you want to do is that you want to start building a massive following of people that are just interested in health and fitness. Now, Instagram is quite restrictive in terms of what links or how many links you can promote on your Instagram account. You only have one clickable link, which you can do in your bio. Okay, so what I would advise, or what I've done is that I've basically put together an Instagram page, and I've just started putting posts that are related to the niche that I'm promoting. So again, if it's health and fitness, start putting out posts that is directly related to health and fitness. So maybe you could put out a few diet plans or a few workout routines or some just fancy slogans that are very motivating as well. So if you start putting out that content, then you're going to have people wanting to follow you anyway, okay? And that's the way I would go about doing that, is just by putting out high value content, so that people can see that you know, that you're a champion at what you do within the industry. And then ultimately what they're going to do is that they're going to click on your link. Okay, so that's what you want to do with Instagram. You want to build a whole host of followers. Now, you've probably seen a whole host of various different Instagrammers out there, and they've got like hundreds of thousands of followers. So you can already see potentially just how much customers they potentially have going to various different affiliate links, and off the back of that, making a whole heap of money. Okay, and it's totally free. So those are just 2 ways that you can start promoting your affiliate links totally free. All right, so, and those are methods that I use, and they do work. All right, you just need to put a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, but once you've got those running, you can just leave it and the pages will do the rest. Your Facebook account will do it, and your Instagram account will do it, all totally on autopilot. And that's what we call passive income in its truest sense. And that's the reason why everyone loves affiliate marketing. It is totally free and it's totally passive, okay? But it does require some work up front. All right, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very insightful. And yeah, go ahead and try it. Like I said, it really does work, but you just got to put in the effort and work to begin with. Anyway guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to be kept up to date with all the videos that I'm dropping, then make sure you hit the bell icon, that little notifications bell, so that every time I drop those videos, you'll be notified as and when they happen. All right guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, stay blessed.